5 income streams the rich use to stay rich. Most people rely on just one source of income. A salary. A job. Trading time for money. But the rich think differently. They build multiple income streams. Not just one. Not just 2. Sometimes 5. Sometimes even 7. And that is how they keep getting richer. In this video, we will talk about the 5 most common income streams used by wealthy people. How they build them. Why they matter. And how you can start creating your own. Let us begin. 1. Earned income. This is the most basic income. Money you earn by working. From a salary, a freelance job, or a small business. This is where almost everyone starts. You trade your time, skills, and energy for money. Rich people also start here. But they do not stop here. They use earned income as a stepping stone. They save part of it. They invest the rest. And slowly build other income streams. For example, someone may work a 9-to-5 job. But in the evening, they build a side business. Or they start buying small investments. Eventually, they build something that earns money without their daily effort. Earned income is important. But it is not enough to build real wealth. 2. Profit income. This is income from business profits. When you sell something for more than it costs, you create value. You solve a problem. And you earn the difference. Rich people often own businesses. Some big. Some small. But what matters is they are not working in the business every day. They build a system. They hire people. And the business runs without them. For example, Jeff Bezos started Amazon. He worked in it at first. But then he built teams. Systems. Automation. Now, Amazon runs with or without him. Even on a smaller scale, people sell products online. Or start a franchise, or offer a service that can scale. The key is this. Profit income grows faster than earned income. Because it is not limited to your hours in a day. A business can earn money 24 hours non-stop. 3. Interest income. This is money earned from lending money. When someone borrows money from you and pays it back with interest, it is your money working for you. Rich people often invest in bonds, savings accounts, or even private loans. They lend money to banks, governments, or other people. And in return, they earn interest every month or year. For example, if you invest in government bonds or corporate bonds, you might get 4 to 6% annually. If you put money in a high-yield savings account, you get monthly interest with zero effort. Some also use peer-to-peer lending platforms, where you fund loans to individuals or small businesses online and earn a return. Interest income is quiet, but powerful. Over time, it builds up and provides steady cash flow. It is low risk, predictable, and easy to automate. 4. Dividend income. This is money paid to you as a shareholder. When you own a piece of a company, and the company shares part of its profit with you, that is a dividend. Many rich people hold dividend stocks. Companies that pay every quarter. Like Coca-Cola, Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble. These companies have paid dividends for decades. And they rarely stop. For example, if you own $1,000 of a stock with a 5% dividend, you earn $50 every year. It might not sound big. But now imagine $100,000. That is $5,000 per year, passive. Automatic. Dividend income is like a paycheck from your investments. It rewards patience and builds a reliable stream of income. Many retirees live off dividends. And the wealthy use it to keep money flowing without selling their assets. 5. Rental income. This is income from real estate. When you rent out a house, apartment, or commercial property and earn money every month. Rich people love real estate because it offers steady cash flow, tax advantages, and property value often increases over time. For example, you buy a small house, rent it out for $1,000 a month, pay the mortgage and taxes, and still earn profit every month. That is rental income. Some even rent out digital assets, like websites, online stores, or ad space. Others rent cars, equipment, or storage units, anything people are willing to pay for. Rental income is powerful because it is asset-backed. It builds wealth through both cash flow and appreciation, and it can be passed down to the next generation. Conclusion. Let us review. 1. Earned income. Trading time for money. 2. Profit income. Running a business. 3. Interest income. Lending money and earning interest. 4. Dividend income. Owning stocks that pay you regularly. 5. Rental income. Earning from real estate or digital properties. The rich build these streams slowly, one by one. They do not jump into all 5 at once. They start with what they can, grow it, and move to the next. The goal is simple. Never depend on one income, because when that one stops, your life is at risk. But when you have multiple streams, you are safer, more free, and on your way to true wealth. So the question is, which one will you start building today?